Well, hello village. While you were sleeping, I was fast at work. And not because I got up very early, it's just that I'm in the Netherlands and a bit ahead of time with you. I wanted to show you my last work, and this is my cabinet of curiosities, I think. I am pretty impressed with myself. Let me close up a bit. It's a kind of little museum with an old quarter inside. I'm not going to tell you what that is because you'll be grossed out. A shell, a little mirror, a petite frog, and an angel wing. And then her. She is gorgeous. And I put on her a little plastic moustache. I hope you're enjoying this. I sure am. Thank you, Laura Marie. You are such a great inspiration.